What's up guys, it's Rosie. Today I'm going to show you what it's like living in Bangkok. Bangkok is a vibrant city with endless things to see and do. Here can be one of the most affordable cities to live in the world, or it can be just as expensive as cities like Paris or London. Cheap street Thai food, which is incredibly delicious for under $2. Or if you fancy like dining in a fancy restaurant, you can pay up to $100. Also, Thai people are so lovely, so easy to make friends with. That's why I'm so happy living here. If you're interested in moving to Bangkok like me, I'm here to show you how easy that's done. Just log on to Propachill.com. Keep an eye out for PVC offers to find thousands of accommodation with a minimal deposit fee. Not only that, you can get metro tickets, cinema tickets, and a free cleaning service too. Propachill.com, ready to rent for you.